Hello and welcome to week 2 of classroom assessment. I appreciate you going on to Flipgrid and introducing yourself through video. It was nice to be able to see all of you in person, and hopefully you had a chance to meet some of your classmates as well and some of the things that they like to do. So hopefully we'll all learn a lot this semester, and we will have a chance to utilize Flipgrid a couple more times in the semester. So last week you should have read chapter 1. Hopefully you had a chance to get your textbook. If you haven't yet, be sure to do that and watch the videos. So this is week 2. This week, be sure that you read chapter 2, and here's the notes. Be sure to watch the video lecture if you haven't done that. And then this week, we'll be having our first discussion. So it will begin your research project that you are going to be doing throughout this semester. I've kind of broken it up piece by piece. And it's like an action research project. So this will model something that you might do in the classroom. So this week you're going to be finding a couple of articles. And so I want you to think about something that you're interested in as far as assessment goes. It can be technology for assessment. If you're elementary, it could be using different kinds of assessments for kindergarten or math or history. So find some kind of a topic. I have a couple of examples here for you. And after you kind of decide what your topic is, and you can always change it throughout the semester. So just think of something right now, come up with some type of a research question, what it is you want to know, and then you're going to start finding some articles. So I don't want you to find websites, but I want you to actually find some articles. So you can go in the library databases. Hopefully this is something that you have done before. In addition to Academic Search Complete, another option is to use Google Scholar. But I want you to find some articles that have been written on your topic. So I suggested that you go to Educational Leadership, CAP and KDP Record. These aren't research articles. Instead, they're summaries of different research articles. So it's a little easier to understand, but you are welcome to go another route and find some research articles as well. And so for this week's discussion, you're going to be posting your research questions. So that's what you want to know, similar to the ones that I showed you above. And then also attach your 2 research articles you have found. They need to be PDF attachments, so not links to something, but the actual articles into the discussion board. So this is going to be due on Thursday. If you noted on the course schedule, there's an asterisk, which means on discussions they'll be due a little bit sooner, not on Sunday, as is typical for other assignments. So to get 50 points, you need to post your question and then 2 articles in PDF form that kind of correspond to your question. And then by Sunday, you need to choose 1 classmate, preferably someone who hasn't yet had anyone reply, and read through the 2 research articles and the question, and then post a response to your peer in 75 to 100 words. How do you think these research articles answer their research question? So be sure that you offer an insightful evaluation, not just these are great, these are neat, these are interesting, but post something that's insightful to reply to your peer. I think these support your research question well because of this, this, and this. Something like that that demonstrates to me that you've read the articles and helped your peer to decide whether they are good articles for answering that question. You will be finding a 3rd article eventually, so something that you may post to your peer is, I think you're on the right track, or I think the next article you look for may focus on this instead of this. But it shouldn't take a lot of time for you to post something, so you need to have 75 to 100 words to reply to your peer to get the other 50 points. So if you have any questions while you're working on this or any difficulty finding articles, please let me know. I do have a video posted for you that you can watch to if you need help finding the some articles, or just post to the class discussion board, and I can answer any questions there.